Okay, so ang actual location natin ngayon ay nandito tayo sa Gataran, wherein dito po ang venue ng magaganap na 61st Cagayan North Tuguegarao City Council Provincial Jamboree, which will start today, March 15 to 19, 2011, here at Camp Ramon Nolasco BSP Campsite, Centro Sur, Gataran. Okay, so we do have here our backdrops dito sa may stage na intended for this provincial jamboree. It's a very nice place and nagdadatingan na yung ating mga different contingents coming from different districts. And ang team natin ngayon dito sa 61st provincial jamboree is building tomorrow today. And we are leaders. Let us set the pace. Let us set the example. Let others follow. So this is it, ang backdrop ng ating stage dito sa magaganap na 61st Provincial Jamboree, and we are giving you this through the facilities of your balloncam.com Ballesteros. So antabayanan pa natin ang pagdating ng iba't iba pang mga contingencies from different districts of the province of Cagayan. I repeat, this is at Gataran, Cagayan, at titignan din natin yung Reformed Community of the North na nakapaskel dito. Okay? Ito po naman ang ating Gataran Reformed Community of the North, at makikita natin ang beautiful landmarks depicting yung progress ng Gataran, Cagayan. At makikita natin sa picture sina Mayor Nolasco yung naka-red, and Governor Bong Antonio yung naka-white, sitting pretty. At they must be enjoying, of course, the beauty, the serenity, and everything that you can have here at Gataran, Cagayan. So that's it. The Reformed Community of the North, it's Gataran. Okay, balikan natin yung ating backdrop. This is our 61st Provincial Jamboree. Ang location natin is definitely dito sa Gataran, Cagayan.